I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams.
It's time to replant these orchids. Look at that. Ooh, you see this? I don't cut the... After the flowers bloom in the stems, I don't cut it because, well, this one is brown. I let it just stay there anyway. But look, now it's giving me a new one. So now I have to replant this. Okay, that's what's today. This, I need to move to a pot with holes on the side so the water can flow. This needs replanting. Oh my gosh, I hope you don't die. Look, I don't cut the brown, the stem when after it bloomed, because see what happens. So now I'm going to replant this, and there's another one. So there's two here, and this just keeps on blooming, and I love this very much. Look at that. So I was going to put it in a different container, but I could not right now because there's more flowers coming. And then there's, look at the stem, there's more. It's gonna bloom again. This as well. I was going to transfer this, but not right now, because if you could see it, look at that stem protruding. It will bloom. And so is this one. So how do I take care of my orchids? A little TLC, water, cold water once a week. That's it. Gardening time for me. I have I have a corn to plant. I have this spearmint and peppermint for tea, and this chamomile for tea. Oh, I have the Japanese eggplant. I really had good harvest last year, so that's the same kind that I got. And then I had me some squash. Oh my gosh, I got myself a squash. I did not even realize it. Hey. And cucumber. Last year was really awesome. In my little garden, vegetable garden, all I need is just to go outside and pick cucumber for lunch. I don't have to go to the grocery store or produce market. And sweet strawberry. This is the first time I'm planting strawberry, so I'm gonna try. And I have the basil. I love basil with baked salmon, so it tastes really good. And I have the green bell pepper because I love green bell pepper with my scrambled eggs. So yes, and I have this, what's this, carnation? Oh, marigold. Yes, with this marigold, I'm going to put it by the eggplant, so the bugs or whatever insects there is, they won't eat the fruit of the eggplant. Yes, and I have several other, and I have other flowers that I'm going to plant. Yay! I have this. I'm gonna put it really far because bees loves this gumamela hibiscus and this gerbera daisies. I have another plant, brilliant blooms. What kind of plant is this? I just went to Home Depot the other day. What's this? Carnation. Wow. So
Just
that's
take
my
my hand
project
and fly
today, to be continued
where
tomorrow.
the skies are so clear. With
Orchids,
you,
orchids, orchids.
I wanna stay.
I'm ready. That's my lemon tree.
I love the way that
And then I have the Spanish
love me
lavender.
today. Let's run up through the forest where the sun shines and heals. With you, I wanna stay with you.
I love this plant so much. So I'm gonna leave it here during the summertime, and then I'm gonna put
Since
it
you
inside
have been
the
gone,
house in the winter.
like I was
Maybe in
told,
the first
you're
cold.
the only
This. Love the smell. It smells really good. Oh my goodness. Oh wow, there's more. There's another here. Oh, it smells so good.
It's been so cold since you have been gone. Like I was told, you're the only one. I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up to the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. I wanna stay with you. With you, I can't be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love